Good morning everyone, myself Dr. Nisha Malik, Assistant Professor from Department of Physiotherapy, RPIT Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel which is RPIT Academics. So today's topic is coagulation of the aorta. So in this, narrowing of the aorta can occur anywhere but is most likely to happen in the segment just after the aortic arch. This narrowing restricts the amount of blood to the lower part of the body. Occurs in about 8 to 11% of all children with CHD. Effects: the left ventricle has to work harder to try to move blood through the narrowing in the aorta. Left-sided heart failure. BP is higher above the narrowing and lower below the narrowing. Older children may have headaches from too much pressure in the vessels in the head, or cramps in the legs or abdomen from too little blood flow in that region. The walls of the arteries may become weakened by high pressure. Spontaneous tear cause a stroke or uncontrollable bleeding. Risk for bacterial endocarditis occur at any site from the arc of aorta to iliac bifurcation. 98% justaductal. Then pathogenesis. In utero arc hypoplasia. Right heart output passes through the ductus. Then in this picture showing coagulation of the aorta. That means narrowing of aorta. So if narrowing of aorta, it causes high blood pressure before point of coagulation, lower blood pressure beyond the point of coagulation. The next is sign and symptoms: irritability, pale skin, sweating, heavy or rapid breathing, poor feeding, weight gain, cold feet and or legs, diminished or absent pulses in the feet, BP in the arm significantly greater than the BP in the legs. Mild narrowing may not cause symptoms at all. Often a school-aged child or adolescent is simply noted to have high BP or heart murmur on a physical examination. Some may complain of headaches or cramps in the lower sections of the body. Clinical manifestation: hypertension, mechanical obstruction, differential cyanosis, pink upper extremity, cyanosed lower extremity. Classical signs is disparity in pulse and BP, radiofemoral delay, systolic M and LMSM in upper scapular. Diagnosis is clinical, X-ray, cardiomegaly and pulmonary congestion. Nothing on ribs, ECG, cardiography. Prognosis is untreated. Complications CVA, that is aneurysms. Treatment medical, IV, neonatal age and surgery. So in surgery repair, child coagulation of the aorta may be repaired surgically in an operating room. The surgical repair is performed under GA. The narrowed area is either surgically removed or made larger with the help of surrounding structures or patch.